Today I show you how you can check fuses without a multimeter with a tool that you have in your pocket right now, or actually maybe you have it in your hand right now watching this video on, and that's your phone. Yeah, you can check fuses with your phone. You can use the screen of the phone to check the fuses. The idea with the fuse is very simple. You need to check the continuity of the fuse. For example, I have a few fuses here and rated at 250 volts, 0.25 amps. 0.25 amps, 250 volts. These ones. And these are for the car. This is for the car when you put it in the fuse box. These are actually much easier to check. The car fuses, you will have a tool to pull them out, and if you see any brown or black, anything here, and this wire should be continuous, then you know it's a blown fuse. But these ones, they don't have anything that you can see, and you don't know if they are good or no. Simple trick. You open your phone. If the fuse was interrupted in the middle here, it would not work. The phone uses electricity, like I would use this Victorinox Swiss Army knife. For the car fuses, it's very easy to see here this wire if it's interrupted. Same with the larger car wires. Same with the larger car fuse. It should be a solid piece of metal, but this one, you don't know if the fuse is working or no. So like this, you can touch one side of the fuse and then the other, put it on the screen. This is not a trick here. The electricity is conducted from my hand into the phone display. That's how it works. The screen of the phone, actually there is a layer on top that detects electricity. Same with this Swiss Army knife. I can use the Victorinox pocket knife to type. I can use the Victorinox Swiss Army knife to press keys on the screen like this. With the fuse it's much easier because it's round and flat. So this is how you check the fuse without a multimeter. You use your phone touchpad, and if it works, if this works, the fuse is okay. If you can press the screen through the fuse, it means the fuse is okay, like so. That's it. Thanks for watching.